The project lifecycle is managed by executing a series of project management activities known as project management processes. Every project management process produces one or more outputs from one or more inputs by using appropriate project management tools and techniques. The output can be a deliverable or an outcome itself, and outcomes are an end result of a process. These project management processes apply globally across industries. Project management processes are logically linked by the outputs they produce. Processes may contain overlapping activities that occur throughout the project. The output of one process generally results in either an input to another process or a deliverable of a project or phase. The number of processes, iterations, and interactions between processes varies based on the needs of the project. Processes generally fall into one of the three categories. Type 1 is when processes are used once or at predefined points in the project. The processes like develop project charter and the close project or phase are such examples. Type 2 is when processes are performed periodically as required. The process acquire resources is performed as and when resources are needed or required. The process conduct procurements is performed prior to requiring a procured item. Type 3 is when processes are performed continuously throughout the project. The process defined activities may occur throughout the project lifecycle, especially if the project uses rolling wave planning or an adaptive development approach. Many of the monitoring and control processes are ongoing from the start of the project until it is closed out. Project management is accomplished through the appropriate application and integration of logically grouped project management processes. While there are different ways of grouping processes, the PMBOK 6th edition groups processes into five categories called process groups. These are initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling, and closing process groups. In PMBOK 7th edition, these process groups and additionally the knowledge areas have been transformed into standards of project management, where you have the system for value delivery and project management principles and the project performance domains.